Well, good morning, students of class 8. Today I'll be taking unit 4. Chapter name is Patul Babu Film Star. So, students, I have not mentioned here full question. I'll read it and I'll tell you answers also. So, start from the first question. What is the role in the film that is offered to Patul Babu? The role that is offered to Patul Babu is of an absent-minded, short-tempered pedestrian. Second question. I really don't see why I should say no. Do these words reflect Pachol Babu's excitement about the acting opportunity? I have classified the question in different parts you can see in your book. So answer is yes, these words reflects Pachol Babu's excitement about the acting opportunity. The second part in your question, why is he trying to hide his real feeling? Patul Babu was a mature actor and he wanted to check about the acting opportunity offered by Nishikanto Babu. Consequently, he tried to hide his real feelings to get all the necessary details. Question number 3. Who did why did Pachol Babu have to give up acting? Again, I have divided question in different parts. So first part here. During the Second World War, Pachol Babu lost his job. Then he struggled a lot to maintain his livelihood and gave up acting. So question number third, second part is how did he feel about it? Whenever he recalled his past glory of his acting career, it made him disappointed. His present state did not allow him to start acting once again, and so he was sad too. So, question number 3, the last part, which line in para 11 tells you that? The line that tells us about that is acting. Acting had become a thing of the remote past, something which he recalled at times with a sigh. So, question number 4, again I have divided question in different parts. First is a member of the shooting crew tells Patul Babu, just think how crucial this shot is. Is the role truly crucial? First part is the role truly crucial? I don't think the role is truly crucial as it's not at all difficult for anyone to say a single word oh. Second question is why does he say so to Pachol Babu? The member of the shooting crew realized it very well that the monosyllabic role in the film had actually disappointed Pachol Babu. So, to encourage him, the member of the shooting said so. So, question number part B, question number 1. A play involves the work of many, and it is this combined effort that makes the success of the play. This is para 32. So, we'll find the answer here. Question number A. Who said these words to Patul Babu? Mr. Pakrashi, the mentor of the Patul Babu, said these words to Patul Babu. Next is, how was Patul Babu feeling when he remembered these words? Why? Having heard these words, Patul Babu was immensely motivated for acting. After speaking the word oh for a number of times, he made an astonishing discovery. The same explanation, when spoken in different ways, carried different shades of meaning. It helped him to get back his self confidence of acting again. C question. How did these words help Pachol Babu become a sincere team player? Pachol Babu uttered the word oh again and again, giving it a different inflection each time, and felt keen anticipation and excitement in speaking the term oh. he realized that a true actor could act impressively even with single syllable and thus became a sincere team player. So, question number 2, part B. The true actor could make a mark with this one syllable. Para 35. First question, what syllable is Patul Babu referring to? What discovery did he make about this syllable? So, answer is Patul Babu is referring to the monosyllabic term O. Patul Babu discovered that the same exclamation, when spoken in different ways, carried different shades of meaning. He found that a man in despair or in sorrow or a wounded person pronunciate the same word with different inflection each time. In this way, Patul Babu discovered different kinds of O's and an extraordinary quality of a true actor. B part, how did Patul Babu use this discovery and make a mark with his acting? Answer is, encouraged by the word of his mentor, Patul Babu practiced speaking that one syllable dialogue O for several times in various ways. After practicing for half an hour, he performed the insignificant role in the most significant manner and made a mark with his acting. Next question is C. Did you think this made him a true actor? Why do you think so? Yes, I think this made him a true actor. Patul Babu added numerous special touches to his monosyllabic dialogue, which made his performance an extraordinary one. He worked with full dedication and perfection and got immensely satisfied after his performance. Even the director, Bear Malik, appreciated his performance. All these clearly depicts that Patul Babu was indeed a true actor. So now, question number C, part C, question number 1. Jolly good. Why are quite an actor? Para 44. What does this line tell you about the film crew's attitude towards Patul Babu? Can you find more such examples of the crew's behavior? Do you think the crew would behave differently if they knew Patul Babu's background? This is the question not written here. So you can write from your book. I am giving answer. This line tells us that the film crew was surprised by Patul Babu's extraordinary performance and appreciated his acting qualities. Chanchal Kumar, one of the major characters of the film, appreciated Patul Babu's flawless acting performance and his sense of timing, which amazed him too. This is another such example of the crew's behavior. Yes, question in different parts. So I've written here answers in different parts. One paragraph, second paragraph, and the third paragraph. This is the question wise answer. Yes, I think the crew would behave differently if they knew Patul Babu's background. They would have shown greater respect and care towards Patul Babu. So, question number 3, part 2. Look at the title of the text, Patul Babu Film Star. Does this mean that Patul Babu was like a typical film star? In what ways do you think Patul Babu was a star? Do you think the tone of the title is mocking or sincere? So, answer is no. Patul Babu was not like a typical film star. He valued his acting more than money. So, he didn't receive his fee for his performance at the end. Next part of the question, Patul Babu enacted his monosyllabic dialogue with full dedication and performance perfection. The director of the film and other spectators' appreciations impressed Patul Babu and made him immensely satisfied. He considered their appraisal as his salary and left the place without taking his fees, even though he needed it greatly. This proved that Patul Babu was indeed a true star of his time. Next part of the answer, Patul Babu was a true actor who did not avoid to perform his monosyllabic dialogue and worked with full dedication. He has set an instinct for the other actors who reject their roles for being a very small or low paid characters. A true actor always tries to improve his acting qualities and considers the spectator's appraisal as the God's gift. Thus, the title is appropriate and the tone of the title is completely sincere. So, children, I have completed here part A, B, and C. This is the question answer part, and book work you can get in another part of the answer. So, in second video, I'll give you book work. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.